the Mitsubishi Triton isn't just a bakkie,
but a game changer.
The Triton offers tough and reliable performance. The heart of the Triton is a 2.4-liter Mavic turbo diesel engine producing 133 kilowatts of power and 430 Nm of torque. This means you get a bakkie that delivers strong, reliable performance whether you're tackling city streets or venturing into the wild. The 6-speed manual, or if you go for the automatic transmission, ensures a smooth yet powerful drive, making it perfect for both work and leisure. If you're looking for a rugged workhorse, the single cab 4x2 manual starts off at $479,990, while the single cab 4x4 manual offers off-road capability at $559,990. Speaking of which, advanced 4x4 capability. Mitsubishi's legendary Super Select 4-wheel drive system gives the Triton an edge over the competition. Unlike standard 4-wheel drive system, it allows you to shift between 2WD, 4H high range, 4H lock center diff, 4H low range gearing for multiple traction and control. Whether you're navigating loose gravel, deep sand, or steep inclines, the Triton gives you a move forward. For serious off-road enthusiasts, the GLS 4x4 manual double cab is available at $739,990, offering a perfect balance between power and capability.
It drives so well. It doesn't feel like I'm driving a bakkie. It doesn't at all. It's like I'm in an Audi.
The comfortability.
A6.
So when did you start the 4x4 Eastern Cape Challenge?
If I remember, or my memory serves me right, I started the 4x4 challenge in end 2022 and it materialized in 2023, and luckily you were there. But currently it's no longer the 4x4 challenge. It's called Timkunzi. Reason being, we've spotted the best bakkie in the Eastern Cape, which took the title. But now things are about to change.
Comfort meets technology. The interior is really nice. Just because the Triton is tough, it doesn't mean it skimps on comfort. Inside, you'll find a spacious, modern cabin featuring a 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you stay connected on the go. The leather seats, dual-zone climate control, and keyless entry add a touch of luxury, making long drives a pleasure. If you want a bakkie that blends ruggedness and high-tech convenience, the GLS 4x4 Auto Double Cab is at $759,990, which is an excellent choice.
There is technology, obviously, but it's not sophisticated that much. It's user-friendly, it's everything.
Uncompromised safety. Safety is a top priority in the Triton. It comes packed with cutting-edge features like forward collision mitigation, which detects potential collisions and applies emergency braking, blind spot warning, which alerts you when there's a vehicle in your blind spot, rear cross traffic alert, helping you reverse safely out of parking lots. It has 7 airbags and a reinforced safety cell, ensuring maximum protection for all passengers. So to say, it's built for work and play. With a class-leading 3.1-ton towing capacity and a reinforced load bin, this bakkie is as practical as it is powerful.
Snow, mud, dusty surfaces, tar roads, everything. It drives according to the conditions that you are driving in. It adapts in every condition. That's the best about this car. When it comes to jumping, it jumps. On the roads,
it's too powerful.
It's too powerful.
So if you're after balance of affordability and performance, the 4x2 double cab starts at $679,990. For those who want something extra, the Xtreme 4x4 Auto with sportier design and off-road features is available at $849,990.
No man. This time around Mitsubishi did justice. Mitsubishi accommodated us. It's high time that we would get rid of the mentality of underrating Mitsubishi. Now it's high time that we give praise to Mitsubishi.
One of the best bakkies in town.
The Mitsubishi Triton is rugged, reliable, and ready for anything. Certainly built for South African roads and work sites and all different types of adventures. So if you're looking to get into the wheel of one of these, the starting price is $479,900. But you know, you're just not gonna buy it and sit around. You have to show up at the next 4x4 Eastern Cape Challenge. AP.
Our next 4x4 challenge is gonna be on the 7th of June in winter time. We've chosen winter primarily because we want to make those roads very wet, and we want to do it by our own, and we're gonna do it. It's on the 7th of June in Aidutwa, and there are a lot of stakeholders that we expect to be there. A lot of 4x4 enthusiasts that are gonna be there. You better be there because wow, we'll be rocking this one. This new baby here, we're gonna be rocking it. We'd like to thank you, Mitsubishi South Africa, for featuring us on this one because they've given us this baby. We are driving it, we are showcasing it around Eastern Cape, showing the capabilities of this bakkie. This bakkie is very capable. It does wonders. Come see it on the 7th of June. But there are events that you've been invited to. If you are around Gauteng, on the 5th of April, we've been invited in Benoni by Nokwacha. And then on the 29th of March, this month, we're invited in Richards Bay. We've been invited by Ngoni Off-Road there. Come see this beast. It's gonna be doing wonders. It's gonna be making name for itself. Look at this wonderful shape, how it's built. Mitsubishi has been underrated for quite a long time. This is the right time now to showcase our Mitsubishi. The time is now.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and look out for the next episode. Bye.
They call it Mitsubishi. It's actually the combination of two words. The Mitsu and the issue. Mitsu means 3. And then the Ishi it means something like water. It talks of something that related to water. Water that normally used to clean the diamonds. As you see those 3 diamonds. This is the Japanese.